office going down the toilet drain. Won't let me go.
Huh?
Won't let me go. It's too much of turns.
Yeah,
Too well. The cast iron. The cast iron's all corroded. Okay, there is a cut. Looks like a chunk missing out of the pipe.
Oh yeah, look at that. That's the paper, the waste paper there too.
Yeah.
That's the paper.
Let me see where that's at real quick.
You want to locate it? It's right there. It's on locate. We are gonna locate the area. fitting right there has a crack right there. It's all broken. Little close up. Oh, another crack. Was that the same one? Right there's where that big hole is at. That's the hole right there. See?
Looks like a
Oh, you know what? Where you
Is that
pulled it back, there's a fitting that has a bunch of cracks in it. Watch. I went to a fitting that had a bunch of cracks on it. Right there. See all the cracks?
Yeah,
See, that's all cracked up right there too.
that's coming all out from here.
Do you think that hole might be the cleanout?
That's what I'm
That's,
thinking.
see, that's the hole in there.
I
That's,
was thinking
that's
that.
concrete or is it?
That looks like cast iron.
Yeah, it
It could be concrete.
looks concrete.
Yeah, but
It
is
is concrete, yeah, it is. You're right, it is concrete.
Yeah, 'cause
is
right
that
here.
a patch or is that a hole? But you almost went in it.
It's getting stuck right there.
Yeah, it's hitting,
It won't let me pass.
hitting that.
Okay.
It's hitting that edge right there.
So I wonder if that's where the,
Yeah,
That's it.
yeah, it's not gonna let you go past. This already fell down.
Yeah, it didn't
into
let
it.
me go past that.
Okay. That being said, go ahead and pull it back real quick.
I wonder if somebody knocked a hole in that and then just put something over it.
No
Used
idea.
it for a cleanout maybe.
Okay, good.
There's a clean out right
No,
there.
no,
What's
come
that?
out, that's gonna be for something else. Come out a little
Come
more.
back more?
Yeah,
Oh, there,
right
right
there,
there.
that's what I want to show 'em. Okay, you see that? That's separated. It's already kind of separating there. The hub on it done shifted.
I think it's in the dirt or something. Oh, that's the
No.
cast iron.
Yeah,
That's
it's cast
good.
iron, that's
And then
the
go
hub
into
already
the-
shifted.
That looks like that's where the pool drain comes in, huh?
Probably
Oh,
so.
yeah.
You know what, yeah? Is it 2 inch?
Yeah, or, yeah, that makes sense
Is
too.
it 2 inch?
I don't know, they did that kind of shaky the whole
Yeah, it looks
thing.
like 4 inch, it's jumping in 4 inch.
Well, and then they put a 4x2 hub and
Okay,
it
okay,
just,
okay.
yeah. I
Yeah,
think,
you really
I don't know why they did that,
All right, you wanna close it off?
Okay, that's gonna be it for the survey.
but you wanna mark be a clean out, you know.
Okay, that would be it for the survey.